Today's lesson is about 6 English words that many learners confuse because they look very similar. These words are proceed, exceed, succeed, concede, precede, and recede. In this lesson, you'll learn the pronunciation, the meaning, 3 examples, and a quick review for each word. By the end of today's video, you'll know exactly when to use every one of them. Let's get started. To start with the first one, proceed. Proceed. Proceed means to continue doing something or to move to the next step after something has started. We use this word when we want to keep going. It is common in both everyday and formal English. The first example, after everyone arrived, the meeting proceeded as planned. The meeting started and continued without any problems. The second example, please proceed to the next page when you finish reading this one. This means you should continue to the next page after you finish reading. The third example, the doctor checked my test results and told me to proceed with the treatment. The doctor believed everything was ready, so the treatment could continue. A quick review. Proceed means continue. The second word, exceed. Exceed. Exceed means to be more than a limit, number, amount, or expectation. It is used when something becomes more than what is allowed, expected, or planned. The first example, your luggage cannot exceed 20 kilograms. The luggage must stay under the weight limit. Example number 2, her performance exceeded everyone's expectations. She did much better than people expected. The third example, the temperature exceeded 40 degrees yesterday. This means the temperature went higher than 40 degrees. A quick review. Exceed means go beyond. The third word, succeed. Succeed. Succeed means to achieve something that you wanted or worked for. It is used when you reach your goal after making an effort. For example, she succeeded in passing the driving test on her first attempt. She passed the test and achieved her goal. The second example, if you keep practicing, you'll succeed. This means working hard can help you achieve success. The third example, the small business succeeded because it offered excellent service. This means the business became successful over time. So a quick review. Succeed means achieve success. Word number 4, concede. Concede. Concede means to admit that something is true or that someone else is right, especially after an argument or disagreement. In sports, it also means to allow the other team to score. Examples, number 1, after checking the facts, he conceded that his friend was right. This means he admitted that his friend had the correct answer. Example number 2, the company finally conceded that there had been a mistake. This means the company accepted that an error had happened. The third example, the team conceded a goal in the final minutes of the match. This means the other team scored against them. So a quick review. Concede means admit. Word number 5, proceed. Proceed. Proceed means to come or happen before something else in time, order, or possession. Examples, number 1, a short speech preceded the award ceremony. This means the speech happened before the ceremony. Number 2, in most books, the introduction precedes the first chapter. This means the introduction comes before chapter 1. The third example, dark clouds often precede heavy rain. This means the clouds usually appear before the rain begins. A quick review. Precede means come before. Word number 6, recede. Recede. Recede means to move back or farther away. It can also mean to become less or weaker. It is often used for water, hairlines, sounds, pain, or objects moving into the distance. Examples, number 1, the flood water slowly receded after the storm. This means the water moved back little by little. The second example, as the boat sailed away, the shore receded into the distance. This means the land looked farther and farther away. The third example, his headache began to recede after he took some medicine. This means the pain slowly became weaker. So a quick review. Recede means move back. Today you learned 6 English words that many learners confuse. Proceed means continue. Exceed means go beyond. Succeed means achieve success. Concede means admit. Precede means come before. Recede means move back. Try to use these words in your own sentences today. The more you practice, the more natural they will become. Thank you very much for watching this episode, and I'll see you in the next vocabulary lesson.